After we learn the directions, let's learn the tools of transportation that you may find here in Egypt. Okay, first we have something which is called tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk, okay, I know it's an Indian style issue or an Indian style transportation, but here it's used also in Egypt, not in all Cairo or not in all Egypt. There are some places there are tuk-tuk and others there are no tuk-tuk. So, but anyway, we just call it tuk-tuk, and it has like a lower price than other transportation somehow, okay, but it's called tuk-tuk. Then we have the word tumneya. Tumneya. Tumneya comes from the word 8. Tamania. Tamania, it's 8, right? Okay. Tumneya, it's like comes from the word 8. Why? Because it has 8 seats, as you can see. So this is called tumneya, and it's widely found here in Egypt so much. Then this thing, the good thing about this thing is we call it also microbus, just almost same like English. Microbus. Microbus, okay. And the big bus, we call it also bus. Same thing. Bus. Bus. Then we have the big bus, we call it Superjet. Superjet. Actually, this Superjet, you're gonna use it while you are traveling from big city to another big city. For example, if you are traveling from Cairo to Alexandria, from Cairo to Gardaka, from Alexandria to Sharm el-Sheikh, always you're gonna use this Superjet. Okay, it's very comfortable and it's very nice. I really recommend it. I really recommend it. Then we have the taxi. We call it taxi. Same thing. Taxi is taxi. Okay. Then we have the word train. We call it qatr. Qatr. Can you hear it? Qatr. Yes, again. Qatr. Well done. One more. Qatr. Okay? Qatr. Well done. Then we have, the big transportation companies like Uber. We have here in Egypt, we have Uber and we have Careem. I don't know if Careem found outside of Egypt or not, but I'm sure that Uber is used worldwide. So we have here in Egypt Uber and we have Careem as a transportation tool, okay? And we have some sort of fun or cool transportation tool. This thing, we call it Huntoon. Huntoon, actually it's like something and the horse just guided, we call it Huntoon. Actually, you're gonna use this just for fun if you are willing to visit the Nile. So you may go into this Huntoon and go beside the Nile and watch the Nile. Okay, this is called Huntoon. Huntoon. And then the last thing, and I kept it as the last thing because it's the most useful transportation tool here in Egypt that you can find, is the metro, the down train, the underground train, metro. It's almost holding all Cairo. Almost all Cairo are held by the metro. So please try to use the metro. It's more comfortable, it's more safe, it's more, I really recommend it for myself. If I'm not using my car, I usually use the metro because it's the fastest and the easiest and the cheapest and everything, regarding the service. It's the thing I really do recommend. Okay, that was all for this part. Come on, let's go to the next part.